on cryptocurrency. RBI to introduce digital currency. So the main highlights are that India is set to go ahead with its plan to ban most cryptocurrencies in the country under a long-awaited bill. Cryptocurrency prices dropped on Indian exchanges after the decision on the bill's future was announced. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 will be among the new 26 bills that will be introduced by the Government of India for the winter session of Parliament, which will be starting from 29 November 2021. The planned legislation aims to create a facilitative framework for the creation of the official digital currency to be issued by the RBI. So, what are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating independently of a central bank, example Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Why government wants to ban crypto? The reason is that sovereign guarantee. There is no sovereign guarantee, there is no legal tender, and they pose risks to consumers. Secondly, market volatility. Their speculative nature also makes them highly volatile. For instance, the value of Bitcoin fell from USD 20,000 in December 2017 to USD 3,800 in November 2018. There are also risks in security. A user loses access to their cryptocurrency if they lose their private key. Next, malware threats. In some cases, these private keys are stored by technical service providers, cryptocurrencies exchanges, or wallets, which are prone to malware or hacking. Money laundering is the last. So, that's it. These are the reasons why government wants to ban cryptocurrency. Thank you.